And Governor Larry Hogan makes a statement concerning one of the hottest topics in the state. Baltimore City Schools' nearly $130 million budget gap. The deficit could force hundreds of layoffs, and many people are looking to the governor to save jobs and education in the city. Education and millions of dollars, the equation of Baltimore City Schools' biggest problem. For weeks, hundreds of students, parents, teachers, and supporters have marched to save jobs and education when it concerns Baltimore City Schools and its nearly $130 million budget gap.
The state is going to provide whatever help we can, but Rally's just saying have the state give us another $130 million because we lost the rest of it. That's not really going to be that productive.
WJZ asked Governor Hogan what he has planned for the state assisting with the shortfall. He says for the past 3 years, the state has put record funding into Baltimore City Schools, paying out some $12,000 per student, twice as much as they pay for any other district in the state.
Because of mismanagement in the city and lack of fiscal responsibility, they've managed to waste quite a bit of money. I think last year $45 million they couldn't find, $70 million the year before, and so now they say they have a $120 million shortfall.
Can't lay all of that on the foot of this particular CEO of the school system, but there is some transparency required. There were some issues as it relates to the public school system, and I know that there are things that have been fixed.
But the problem still stands. With the lack of funds, there will have to be a subtraction to the budget that will ultimately affect Baltimore City School students.
What it does mean is a very pared down and insufficient level of education, and all you have to do is take a look at some of the school budgets that our schools are working with.
And Governor Hogan says that he is scheduled to meet with City Mayor Catherine Pugh and Baltimore City Schools CEO Dr. Sonia Santelises this week.